So ma'am, can you tell us about your college life?
Yes, it's been
You should be
more
honest.
of a, yes, I'm all honest. Yes, it's been more of a fun along with studies. Like I used to teach about Tridax procumbens in class. I guess, hope you remember.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, we
I
used
guess.
to look at that and we used to learn it. So probably there is nothing like to by heart, correct?
Yeah, I guess.
So it is like fun along with the study. The same way.
I
not
think you
only
used to
fun
study
organized-
only.
No, not exactly.
Okay, fine.
Along with that, so many things such that we used to explain more of a fun in class rather than the studies, I guess.
Yeah. Ma'am, next question. Was biology your favorite subject always? Come on, be honest. Not to me. Yeah, fine.
Yes, it's one of my favorite subject. Not only biology, yes, I used to love physics as well.
Physics
too.
also?
Yes, physics also. So I guess I hope remember the most important topic, Bernoulli's theorem. I still remember that the water is flowing through the
Yeah,
tube and all,
sure.
yes. And then when we get solution, we feel so happy that yes, I got solution. The complete day we will be like, yes, I got solution. That's how I used to enjoy. Along with not only physics, chemistry also, we apply so many things, whatever we learn in chemistry and biology too. And biology, it's like we are looking at it, so probably we love the things which we visualize it. So probably, and along with that we will know about the body most probably. So yes, I love more biology. Not exactly, I don't love other subjects, yes.
Okay ma'am, next question. One method that you adapted to help students understand the concepts better at Parishrama?
Okay, so what I feel, when they understand the concept clearly, it's nothing like I have to read again. There is nothing like to repeat n number of times. So I want my children to be clear about the concept. So that's what I follow to teach my students.
And you have been clarifying our doubts always. Thank you for that.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's my pleasure.
Now, be very careful, okay?
Careful.
Yeah. Girls batch or boys batch? Choose one. I am right here. Okay.
You're right here.
Yeah.
Is it? So I guess
I know the answer.
you know the
You
answer.
have to
right?
tell it, yeah.
Boys batch, correct.
No, girls batch it is.
Is it?
Ma'am, come on.
They don't eat my brains that much. So probably
This is not
boys
fair.
batch is,
This is not at all fair.
but that is
Come
not
on.
that fun as girls batch. So probably both are good.
No, this is not the answer we are expecting.
Both, right?
Girls batch. Yeah, I know, girls batch.
Yes.
Next question. If a parent happens to speak to you about Parishrama,
Yes.
what would you tell them?
So the best thing which I find here is that we will be mainly concentrating on the NCRT. Like it's like I don't know this particular concept. No one can specify that I don't know any particular concept in this particular book. We are like, yes ma'am, ask me any question, I'm ready to answer. That's how in terms of biology if I speak, yes, we are ready to answer any question from any nook and corner. That's what I feel. So there is nowhere, along with the concept, we will be learning each and every part of our life too. So what I suggest, in other academy I am not sure whether we will be completely sticking to NCRT, but here we are doing it and we will be knowing each and every answer from nook and corner. You can pick up a line and you can say that yes, I have gone through this statement. Hope you are aware.
Yes.
That's the best part of Parishrama NEET Academy.
Ma'am, apart from studies, what if my parent walks in and what would you tell them about Parishrama?
So the first thing is that I can't resist myself from telling this is we will be providing n number of varieties, including, like I guess you are aware, we will be providing daily. It will be changing, the food menu will be changing, and it's like whatever you want. If you feel that one item is very good, like brinjal, if you find it very good, the very next upcoming day it will be the new variety, but the same variety with a new taste. So it's like that. And then if you ask for ice cream, the very next moment it will be there. And then if I speak about medical thing, is like 24/7 we will be available taking students to hospital when it is a medical emergency. And then I guess you are aware, daily twice or approximately once or twice we will be cleaning the complete
Yes, ma'am.
rooms,
Yeah.
and it will be completely hygienic, I guess.
Hmm.
And then if I speak about something called till 11 o'clock, the faculties will be available all the time. So that's one of the best part I can say.
Yes, ma'am.
So yes.
Thank you, ma'am.